I know, I said we would start the assembly process in this chapter, but I also respect your time, and to avoid waiting around for prints to finish later, we can start printing the next set of parts right now, while we work. You can simply add these parts to your printing queue and continue with assembly in parallel. This is the main chassis frame of the RC car, which will hold almost everything, including the drivetrain, motor and battery. The next file to print is 0201base.stl. The print parameters remain the same: PETG, 5 perimeters, 50% in fill, supports enabled. One important note: this part is large and warping can be an issue. If you use glue on your print bed, reapply a fresh layer before printing to ensure strong adhesion. Alright, send it to the print queue. Next, let's print the gears and the shaft. File 0202gearshaft.stl. These are critical components for performance, so use the same filament and print settings to maximize strength. Finally, we print the battery holder and the small mounts for some electronic components. File 0203 body elements. These don't need to be extremely strong, but for simplicity I still use the same parameters for all of them. Alright, all the new parts are now in the printing queue. While the printing does its magic, we can begin the assembly.